Hello and welcome to C++ tutorial number 1, how to make a hello world program. So let's start by doing the number sign, include, then put in there IOStream, then let's make int main, I'll put in there name, using workspace, using namespace, and put std. Then go down here and type in system, then put parentheses, then put quotes, then put a semicolon. In the quotes you have to put pause. Then below that put return 0. Then put a semicolon. Okay, so now let's save this, press in there, then go to execute, compile and run. And as you see, we have nothing in here. It's just saying press any key to continue. So now let me explain this. Include IOStream, what that means is it's just communicating with the CMD prompt, which was that black box that you just saw. Int main means it's the main function. It's this. Everything in here is going to be in int main. And then here is what they call the body. All the commands go inside the body, and every time you say something inside the body, you have to put a semicolon at the end. If you don't put a semicolon, we'll get an error. So you have to have the include IOStream. You just have to have it, or you're bound to get an error. Every time you have a document, you have to have that. And then int main, that's something you also have to have. You don't need to know what these two mean, but you have to have them. So now let's go back into the body. And let's type in C out, 2 of those, then quote marks, then put the black chicken ate the goat. Okay, now put a semicolon at the end. Now you notice when we save it, execute, compile and run, we'll have the black chicken ate the goat. But you see how it says press any key to continue at the same line? What if we don't want that there? Say we want that under it. Well, what you have to do is press 2 more of those things and press end, L, and then semicolon. So now, when we save it, execute, compile, and run, the black chicken ate the goat, press any key to continue. And we could do this with multiple lines of, actually unlimited lines of code. You can go like this and make it so the black chicken ate the goat, stop eating my blue goat, black chicken. And we could have here my blue goat makes my cheese for pasta. Then we can have here I heart blue goats. Okay, so now when we save it and run it, we'll have the black chicken ate my goat, stop eating my blue goat, black chicken, the blue goat makes my cheese for pasta, I heart blue goats. So that's what cout is. Cout stands for command out. So anytime you have cout, something is going to come out onto the command prompt. So that's saying like a message, or any command is going to go outside into the command prompt. So now you have to have these when you're using cout, and then you have the quotes, have whatever you want to type inside the quotes. Then you have this, and you press end line. Now what system pause does is it tells it to pause, so each time you compile and run it, it won't exit out of it automatically. I'll show you what it does when you don't system pause it. Save, execute, compile and run. See, it just goes up and goes back. Starts up then exits itself out again. So you have to have system pause there to stop it from doing that. Okay, and that concludes our tutorial for today. So look out for tutorial number 3. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.